Okay, people, you are here with Dking 114 playing Call of Duty 3. Yeah, Call of Duty 3. That's basically modern warfare. Yeah, that's right. So I'm just gonna reduce some volume.
All warfare is based on deception.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you just a really short clip which I found out, and I don't know if it's funny to you, but to me, yeah, it's funny. It's this chicken dancing, and it's basically the intro of Call of Duty 3 Modern Warfare on Xbox 360. Yeah, that's right. So ask me later. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna play special ops. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be doing a campaign, but right now I'm just gonna show you something, and I'm gonna choose survival. Yeah, survival village. Yeah, village. I'm gonna show you this chicken. Man, is it normal for that chicken to dance, or is it dancing or what? But to me it's funny. Yeah, that's right, it's really funny. Yeah, so let's check out this chicken. Let's see, sensitivity high, insane. So when you just spawn here in the spawn, just come right here. Look at the chicken. What is it doing? It's wrestling on its own. Yeah, my controller, it's low. Okay, I'm just gonna change some batteries. Yeah, let me see. Let me change some batteries. Okay. And by the way, if you want to see my controller, it's white right here. Xbox 360. This is my controller, and I'm planning on getting a new one. Yeah, that's all. This is my controller. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let me just get other batteries. Yeah, so let me get this. Just real quick. We do not want to waste any time right now. Okay, people, sorry for the waste of time. Sorry people. I'm just changing my batteries. My batteries are low. I should have checked them right before I started playing Call of Duty 3. Yeah, and these, how much percent? Okay, this one is full, so let's go. Okay, and I do not like vibration. Yeah. So it will be, let me say, it will be like a gameplay today. Yeah. Yeah, no match. So guys, let's see. Okay, one. We're free. Let's see, assault rifles, yeah, machine pistols. I'm gonna come for these guys, bad boys. So let me just continue.
Team, large enemy force moving towards your location.
So okay guys, let's go ahead and kill that chicken. Let's go ahead and kill that chicken. Let's get an achievement for this. No achievement. So guys, I'm gonna bring up a really cool challenge on Call of Duty Black Ops 1, Call of Duty Black Ops 1, and not Call of Duty 1, not Call of Duty 1, okay. Running out of ammo. Okay. Gonna grab this.
Equipment armory online. You now have access to explosives and armor upgrades.
Machine pistols. Gonna grab this. Nice. Okay.
Team, enemy attack dogs are approaching your location.
Oh. Okay, so I just did the dog right there. You're not gonna kill me so easily.
Air support armory now online. Close air support is available for tasking.
I think we are gonna go ahead and use our pistol. Just fill up. Okay, so this let me say this is my second time playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare, so I'm pretty sure there are perks in here. So
Enemy contacts approaching your position.
Modern Warfare, where are all the enemies? Right on this page, huh? I'm basically running away from these enemies. Okay, basically I like using pistols. Yeah, they're kind of light and really easy to use. Really easy to use. Yeah. Okay, where is our last enemy?
That's the last of them. Good job.
Ammo. I cannot live without ammo. I cannot stay without ammo. Okay guys, thank you for watching this short clip of Call of Duty 3. This is Dking 114 signing out guys. Thank you. Love you guys. My battery is low. I cannot continue playing the game. So thank you guys for watching Call of Duty Black Ops, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. I'm really used on playing Call of Duty Black Ops 3 and yeah 1. So don't mind me. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. Please subscribe to this channel for more info, tips on how to survive glitches for Call of Duty Black Ops, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Sorry, my bad, my bad. Okay, guys, see you later, guys. Bye. Love you.